Overcooking the pasta, a common mistake in cooking and language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, overcook the pasta. This expression is not only about cooking pasta but also holds valuable lessons for English language learners. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning and see how it can improve your English understanding and usage. Stay tuned. First, let's tackle the literal meaning. To overcook means to cook food for too long or at a temperature that's too high. When pasta is overcooked, it becomes too soft, mushy, and loses its desirable texture. This is a common mistake among beginners in the kitchen, where the pasta loses its al dente quality, a term chefs use to describe pasta that is cooked to be firm to the bite. Now, onto the figurative usage. This phrase can be used metaphorically to describe situations where someone has done too much of something, leading to a negative outcome. For example, if someone spends too much time preparing for a presentation, they might end up overcomplicating it, causing confusion among the audience. In this sense, overcook the pasta serves as a reminder that sometimes, more is not better. How does this relate to language learning? Well, when learning English, or any new language, it's easy to overcook the pasta by overstudying grammar rules or focusing too much on perfecting an accent, leading to frustration or burnout. It's essential to find a balance, allowing for mistakes and learning from them, rather than striving for unattainable perfection. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, overcook the pasta, more effectively, both in and out of the kitchen. It's a fun example of how language can capture the essence of our experiences and teach us lessons beyond the literal meanings of words. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and remember, sometimes it's okay to leave a little bite in your pasta, both literally and metaphorically.